Hello, here we will see a talk about the entertainment, discussing movies and TV program, मनोरंजन फिल्म टीवी प्रोग्राम के बारे में बातचीत कन्वर्सेशन. नीमा, hi Megha. Hi Nima, how are you? Fine. What is going on? Nothing, just watching TV. Which program? Philip's Top 10. I just love this program. Me too. I also like Saregama and Close Up and Antakshari. Megha, same here. Which TV serial do you like most? Well, I like Dastan. Also, I like Shrimati, a love comedy, isn't it? क्या ये बढ़िया कॉमेडी नहीं है? मेगा, my favorite are Junoon and Swabhiman. I also like Discovery and Turning Point. I like them too. Megha, have you seen Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge? Megha, oh yes, thrice. It is beautiful movie, isn't it? Shahrukh is so cute and Kajal looks so pretty. Really? And Anupam Kher is simply fantastic. He is the best comedian we have. Yes, of course. You know, the movie bagged all the awards this year. The best movie, best actor, best actress, best music, almost everything. And they deserve every bit of it. Didn't it they? Thank God the trend is changing. I am fed up with movies full of sex and violence. I am fed up with movies. मैं तंग आ चुकी हूँ मूवी से. Full of sex and violence. Megha, really, I too find such movies very boring. You can't sit and watch them with family. There is Chitrahar on DD. Do you want to see? Okay, let's see something. Sometimes they show good songs. तो ये रहा कंप्लीट डिस्कशन. ये बहुत अच्छा है. आमतौर पे स्टूडेंट एक दूसरे से फिल्म की बात करते हैं. इसको आप ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Thank you. All the best. Hello everyone. Here we will see the discussion or conversation. Buying a present. उपहार की खरीदारी में दुकानदार और एक लेडी के बीच बातचीत को देखते हैं. शॉपकीपर, यस, कैन आई हेल्प यू मैडम? लेडी, आई वांट ए नाइस वॉच. मुझे एक अच्छी घड़ी चाहिए. शॉपकीपर, लेडीज और जेंट्स? लेडीज. Shopkeeper, we have a large variety. Please look here in the showcase. We have Titan, Alvin, HMT. In the next one, we have imported Swiss watch. Please show me this one. मुझे ये दिखाइए. The third in the fifth row. पांचवी लाइन में तीसरी. जरा ये दिखाइए. Please show me this one. Shopkeeper, yes, of course. This is Titan, a very nice watch. What is the price? It's here on the tag. 1250 rupees only. Lady, no, I don't want such an expensive watch. इतना कीमती नहीं चाहिए. Shopkeeper, then look at this one, 550 only. इसको देखो. Then look at this one. Which brand is it? HMT, very durable. No, I don't like the design. What about that one? The fourth in the third row. चौथा, तीसरी लाइन में चौथा. Shopkeeper, this one. Lady, yes. What brand is that? Shopkeeper, Temple. It is new company in collaboration with Seiko, Japan. How is it? ये कैसी है? ये घड़ी कैसी है? लेडी पूछ रही है. शॉपकीपर, इट इज गुड. दे आर ऑल्सो ऑफरिंग 10% डिस्काउंट. 10% डिस्काउंट भी है. व्हाट इज द प्राइस? शॉपकीपर, 700 rupees, but after 10% discount it will cost you 630 only. Is there any guarantee? Shopkeeper, yes, 2 years. What does the guarantee include? Shopkeeper, free repair of minor faults for 2 years and full replacement if there is major manufacturing defect. 2 साल के लिए छोटी मोटी शिकायत की मुफ्त मरम्मत, कोई बड़ी मशीनी नुकसान होने पर घड़ी बदलकर दूसरी मिलेगी. फ्री रिपेयर ऑफ माइनर फॉल्ट फॉर 2 years and full replacement if there is a major manufacturing defect. Okay, I will buy this one. Shall I get a case with the watch? इसके साथ केस मिलेगा ना? Shopkeeper, yes, a beautiful case. Please get it gift wrapped. इसको उपहार की तरह पैक करवा दें. Please get it gift wrapped. Shopkeeper, yes madam, please pay at the counter and this is your guarantee card. Please don't lose it. Yes, thank you. All the best. Thank you. Hello everyone, it is a conversation at the general store. Customer, I want 2 cakes of Lux soap. How much? Lux की 2 टिक्कियाँ चाहिए, 2 Lux चाहिए. 2 cakes of Lux soap. How much? कितना पैसा लगेगा? Shopkeeper, 10 rupees. What else? 10 रुपये. और क्या दूँ? What else? शॉपकीपर पूछ रहे और क्या दूँ? What else? Customer, why 10 rupees? Lux is 4 rupees. A cake. 4 ही रुपया तो कीमत है, तो 10 क्यों दूँ? 2 का. Look, it is printed here. यहाँ छपा हुआ है. शॉपकीपर, all right, pay 8 rupees. 8 रुपया दे दीजिए. What else do you want? आप और क्या चाहते हैं? What else do you want? Customer, do you have refined oil? Yes, which one do you want? कौन सा चाहिए? धारा 1 kg pack and sugar 1 kg. Shopkeeper, this is dhara 1 kg but sugar is out of stock. You will get it tomorrow. कल मिल जाएगा आपको. Customer, give me a good shampoo also. Shopkeeper, which one do you want? कौन सा दे? Should I give this herbal shampoo? ये herbal shampoo दे दूं? Should I give this herbal shampoo? Customer, what is the price? 65 rupees. There is 5 rupees discount on it. It will cost your 60 rupees. Customer, all right, give me one. Which flower do you have? कौन सा आपके पास कौन सा आटा है? शॉपकीपर, वी हैव ऑल. सूरज ब्रांड, राजभोग, कुकवेल. विच वन डू यू वांट? कौन सा चाहिए आपको? कस्टमर, लास्ट टाइम आई यूज सूरज ब्रांड. आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट. शॉपकीपर, ट्राई राजभोग. दिस टाइम इट इज लाइक द रियल होम मेड फ्लोर. Customer, all right, give 10 kilos. Do you have home delivery? क्या आप घर पहुंचवा देंगे? Yes, up to 5 kilometer. Customer, I live close by. मैं पास ही रहती हूँ. I live close by. What is your address? C95 Kamal Colony, C95. No problem, you make the payment. I will just send the delivery boy to your house. Customer, thank you. At your service, ma'am. At your service. आपकी सेवा में मैडम. Thank you. All the best. Hello. तो इसमें क्लास टीचर से बातचीत देखेंगे विद द क्लास टीचर. मदर क्लास टीचर से बात करें. गुड आफ्टरनून मिसेस सेन, आई एम पूनम शर्मा, Kashipra Sharma's mother. Kashipra told me you wanted to see me. Class teacher. Yes, please sit down. Here is Shipra's monthly progress report. She has failed in 2 subjects. Yes, she was unwell during the maths test. बीमार थी उस समय. Class teacher. Fine, but what about English? She got only 3 marks out of 10. In social studies also she has barely got pass marks. बड़ी मुश्किल से. Mother. Yes, actually when I am quite worried about her. Shipra doesn't take interest in studies. Class teacher. I think she is quite weak physically. Mother. Yes, you are right. She also complains of a headache very often. अक्सर उसको सर दर्द होता है. Please get her eyes tested. I have noticed that she is unable to read the blackboard properly. Mother, I will take her to an eye specialist today itself. I'll also consult the doctor regarding her general health. Class teacher. Besides, Shipra needs extra coaching in math and English. Who teaches her at home? Mother, I do, but I must admit that I am not very regular. Please be regular in future. Shipra's handwriting is very bad. She must practice handwriting at home. Yes, I'll definitely pay more attention to her now. Please do that. Shipra is an intelligent and well-behaved girl. With a little effort, she will definitely improve. Mother, I will try my best. Thank you very much, Mrs. Sen. Please keep me informed about her progress. Yes, of course. Okay, bye, Mrs. Sen. तो ये रहा, करते रहिए.